Hi guys, good morning. For kumusta kayong lahat? I hope you're all doing well. And I'm back already here in Sweden, and may vlog kasi ako about Rojas Market, and believe it or not, bumili ako ng mga ukay-ukay. Yes, I do buy ukay-ukay kasi yung sa mall, na tumitingin ako ng yung mga damit nila, for example, BNY, Dickies, yung mga ganun na brand. I used to buy them yung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, but ngayon pag tumingin ako ng mga brand yung nasa mall, but I don't find it na interesting, or it doesn't attract me because yung style is not my style and they're way too expensive. And I thought, ayokong bumili ng mahal pero hindi ko masyadong bet. Pero when it comes to ukay-ukay, parang ang unique ng mga design nila, and I really like them. I often find yung mga style ko sa ukay-ukay, and they're so cheap. And for example, itong nabili ko sa Rojas Market, kasi pumunta kami ng Rojas Market. I'm going to upload the Rojas Market and then insert ko tong ukay-ukay na nabili ko sa Rojas Market. Anyway, some people said na, oh, why nagbibili ka pa ng ukay-ukay? You live in abroad. And people, what is wrong with ukay-ukay? It doesn't mean that we live in abroad. It means parang highest level na yung mga damit namin. Well, others do. Meron talagang yung mga nakatira na sa abroad na they changed, that like they don't usually do what they have been doing before they went abroad. Pero for me, those things, for example, going ukay-ukay with my sisters, yung parang it gives me pleasure na mag-ukay-ukay with my sister, plus yung memory, yung nagpa-flashback yung mga memory way back na andun pa ako sa Pilipinas na wala akong pera, tapos nagukay-ukay ako, yung tagta-30 na shirt, parang yung pumunta kami sa Rojas, yun, it's bring back memory, and it makes me happy. Like, really, it's really made me happy na this is how I do before, na nagukay-ukay with my friends or with my sister, na talagang limited yung pera namin, na yun lang dapat ang mabibili kasi nga limited yung pera. Pero yeah, it doesn't mean na hindi ako nakaka-afford ng mga yung nasa mall na damit, but like I said, mas gusto ko yung nasa ukay-ukay because why? It's very good quality, tapos unique yung nabibili mo, tapos mura. So, isa lang atang shirt yung nabili ko, yung sa mall, kasi hindi ko din masyadong type, pero binili ko siya. It like cost 500. Tapos, itong nabili ko, ang dami na, tigsi 50 pesos lang, pero I really like them. So, enough with the rambling. Ano bang tama, guys? Rambling? Asan ang tama? But anyway, yeah, bumibili ako ng ukay-ukay sa Pilipinas, and I bring them here sa Sweden kasi, yeah, I like them. And let's start with the haul kasi 4 minutes na yung talkative ko. So, yeah. First, yung nabili ko ito, I really like it, guys. Look, it's sweater. Looks like that. Tapos, yung detail niya dito, I really like it. Look at this. Gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. Tapos, it's a sweater. Perfect yung fit sa akin. Hindi ko actually to sinukat. But, nilabhan ko na to sa Pilipinas. Tapos, pagdating ko dito, nilabhan ko pa talaga dun sa washing. So, yeah, that is the first one. And ito yung nabili ko sa Rojas Market. This cost me 50 pesos. Guys, 50 pesos. Pero, paborito ko na siya right now. It's like, it made me happy na napapasaya ako sa mga ganitong bagay na kaunti lang. At super mura, guys. As in, super mura. And, it reminds me, when I wear it, it reminds me yung mga nabili ko. I remember those time na binili namin to with my sister, with the love, with the funny. Hey, I'm not really good in explaining my thoughts and feelings, but yeah, yun lang yung kaya ko. But yeah, I really like it, and it cost 50 pesos. Ewan ko lang. And it's made me proud of myself kasi hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, no, I almost get what I want. But I'm happy na nagiging masaya ako in a small things na super mura, but it's give me so much happiness. Parang pabalik-balik na yung sinasabi ko. Anyway, let's proceed sa ibang nahul ko. This one, this is actually the one I wore when I traveled back here in Sweden. It looks like this. This cost me, I think, sa bangkiruhan ko to nabili. Kasi, namimili kami ng mga isda when I went there, and then I thought, may mga ukay-ukay, so, pumupunta lang akong bigla, and then I saw this one. This cost, I think, 10 piso lang to, guys. If I'm not mistaken. But, meron siyang counting butas dito. Look. But, really, I don't mind. It's not visible when I wear this. And 10 piso is become my favorite blouse too, guys. Pasensya na, ganito talaga ako. Ewan ko. So, it looks like that. I really like it. It's so baggy and perfect siya. Malamig yung tela niya. So, it was perfect to wear when I was in the Philippines. I like it. And then this one, the second one. This one. It's a long sleeve, and yung pagkuha ko nito, parang bago pa talaga siya. Ang ganda ng tela, guys. Mamahalin talaga yung tela niya, as in. And then, sinuot ko na to, and it's also my favorite. Nakita na to ng asawa ko, and nakakabasa siya ng French, and it says, I hate math. Which is really me. I hate math. So, yeah. This is how it looks like. Tapos yung detail niya sa back, I also really like it. And 50 pesos lang din to, guys. As in 50 pesos. And then, the other one is this stripe, white and black stripe. Nasuot ko na din to ilang beses na, and it's my favorite. It looks like that. I like the detail sa baba na meron siya parang it's give you illusion na dalawa yung suot mo, but it's not. So, yeah. And I really like it. It also become my favorite shirt, and this costs 50 pesos. My God, kung pwede palang dalhin lahat ng ukay-ukay. Kasi I really like it. I really like the style. It's really me. So, yeah. And then, itong dalawa, hindi ko pa sila nasuot. So, I don't know if they will become my favorite, or are they going to just sit down in my closet. So, we'll see. This is a sweater. It looks like that. Tapos, mayroon siyang details dito, yung parang see-through. And, yung tila niya medyo mainit, pero may see-through siya dito. So, it looks like that. Hindi ko pa siya nasuot, guys. So, hindi ko alam if it's going to be my favorite. And then, the last one, ang taas ng huli to. This one. Look at the, I like the cut detail. Sweater din siya, guys. Like that. Gusto ko yung mga tie-tie siya dyan. Ito, gusto ko yung details na ganyan. Tapos yung cut. And this is also cost 50 pesos. Yes, 50 pesos. Sweater to siya, guys. Mga sweater ata ang mga binili ko mostly doon. Ito lang actually yung nabili ko na mga damit. So, yeah. Hindi ko pa alam if it's going to be a favorite or if it's going to sit in my closet. But so far, may tatlo na akong favorite. And I think yung most favorite ko itong suot ko ngayon. I really like it. It says electric light. And yung details na ganito. Gosh, ang ganda. Ang ganda lang. I'm super happy. I'm super happy and satisfied sa mga nabili ko na ukay-ukay. Para akong hinihingal. But yeah. How about you guys? Meron kayong mga paboritong mga ukay-ukay? And how do you find ukay-ukay? Especially those people na nakatira sa ibang bansa. Do you still buy ukay-ukay like I do? I love ukay-ukay. Para akong hinihingal. Anyway, meron kami ukay-ukay dito. Maraming ukay-ukay dito sa Sweden, but I very, very seldom visit sa mga ukay-ukay dito because boring mag-ukay-ukay dito. Wala akong kasama, wala akong sister. Pero pag nasa Pinas ako, ang dami kong kasama. Lahat ng sister ko nagjo-join. Even mga niece ko. So, it's very enjoyable to buy there. And doon ang mura. As in, dito, hindi mura yung ukay-ukay na dito. Tapos, very worn na talagang yung talagang, kung pwede pala yung may mga gisina eh. Yung ukay-ukay sa atin, minsan, may mga bago pa talaga. It like this one, parang feeling ko hindi siya nasuot. And I really like the details. Paulit-ulit na ako dito sa shirt na to. I'm going to live with this shirt. I'm sure. But anyway, how do you find ukay-ukay? Do you also love ukay-ukay like I do? So, comments below kung may mga paborito kayong place na mag-ukay-ukay. Kahit saan. For example, Cebu, Davao. So, yeah. I think that's it for this video. At ang taas na nito video na to. So, I guess I'm going to upload it separately. Hindi ko na siya isasali sa Rojas Market na video. So, I'm going to upload it separately. And anyway, ito, kung may if you have any ideas na anong dapat kong i-vlog or gusto nyo na i-vlog ko, please comments below para naman masaya yung nakakakuha ako ng mga ideas sa mga viewers ko kung ano ang yung gusto nyong makita na vlog ko. So, yeah. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video of mine, and salamat, maraming salamat sa yung mga permanent viewers ko, yung palaging nag-watch ng mga videos ko, and I try my best na mag-watch din sa mga vlogs nyo, but right now I'm still a little bit sick since pagdating ko galing ng Pinas. But I'm feeling much better now, and yeah. Maraming salamat guys, and I see you on my next video. Bye!